Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about Swirl Diffuser. Left side you can see the component, and right side this is the reverse side of the component, and bottom you can see the form tool. See, this is the component. This is the forming tool. See, this is the component, and this is mostly used for airflow or ventilation. There are many types of swirl diffusers. So initially I am going to create the form tool. So let's start now. I have taken a new SolidWorks part file. Select the top plane. Select center rectangle. So it is 600 by 600. Select these two lines, make it equal. Go to feature, select extruded boss. You can take any height. I am taking 2 mm, 20 mm. Select this top face, go to sketch. We have to draw two reference circles. Make them construction. This is 500 and this is 250. Say OK. Now select this top face once again and select the center line. So join these 2 points. Next, go to feature, select plane. So I am going to create new plane. So we have to select this point and secondary reference as front plane. So it is parallel to front plane. So when we see in top view, these two are parallel. So select this plane and create a sketch. See, from the origin, draw one triangle. This is 26 and angle is 45. So the sketch is constrained. Now I am going to create swept boss. Select this triangle, sketch, and this line. Select this axis, command and select the front plane and right plane. So we need a axis at this location to create a pattern. So go to circular pattern, go to select swept boss, and its instance is 20. See, I am going to show you in the top view and say OK. And I am going to hide all planes and sketches. See here. Now we have to go to sheet metal, select the forming tool. Forming tool, we have to select this face, and we have to select these faces. Hypotenuse we should not select, rest we need to select these faces. See here. See. See, these are the removing faces. This and the other side is going to remove, and this inclined face is going to bend. So I have already created one form tool. I am going to open this. See here, this is the one. So after completing this, we can save this in this folder directly in the forming tool. So we can open this folder directly and we can paste this form tool file. So after placing it, we have to create one sheet metal component. So I will make these two lines equal. And this is 600. So I am taking the size of the form tool, and we have to create a sheet metal base flange. So I am taking 2 mm, and K factor should be less than 0.5. So I have created this forming tool. I am going to place this on this component. So I want to position this. So for position this, we have to go to center line, join two endpoints. And drag this point and place it at the center. See here, at this midpoint. It is placed exactly at the center. And say OK. If you want, we can flip this. See here, we can flip it. So say OK. So this component is ready. You can see this piercing of this, piercing and deformation of this component like lowers. See here, this is how it looks like. So when I keep it in isometric, see, it looks like this. So this is brief about Swirl Diffuser in sheet metal module. Thanks for watching.